Hi, I'm Dr. Genevieve Milnes from Psychology Australia. In this session, I'll be discussing anger. Everyone gets angry, and mild anger can sometimes be useful to express strong feelings and deal with situations. However, if anger is expressed in harmful ways or persists over a long period of time, then it can lead to problems in relationships at home and at work, and can affect the overall quality of your life. Anger is not usually a good solution to problems, even if it seems helpful in the short term. Unmanaged anger often creates problems. Anger is a feeling that is accompanied by biological changes in your body. When you get angry, your heart rate and blood pressure rise, and stress hormones are released. And that's accompanied by shaking, becoming hot and sweaty, and feeling out of control. Tom used to wonder why people didn't like to hang around him when he was upset. He had a very stressful job and didn't feel as if he was appreciated for all the work that he did. He would sometimes get so angry that he would punch the wall or break things. He was particularly frustrated by people who drove badly. One day, as he was driving down to get some ice on a very hot day, he was cut off by a young man who gave him the finger as he went by. Tom had no idea why this man had reacted in this way. He started to feel really angry and felt insulted. His hands began to sweat and he felt shaky. He started to imagine himself punching this idiot in the head and making him suffer. As he did so, he accelerated and hit the vehicle in the rear. Fearing that he would now be on an assault charge, as well as having to pay for the damage, Tom sought psychological treatment. Tom could have done with some anger management treatment well before this happened. He didn't understand why he became angry, and psychological treatment could have helped him overcome his anger. Many men believe that anger is legitimate, especially when they find it hard to express inner feelings such as hurt, sadness, or grief. For women, the reverse may often be true. Anger gets buried under tears. The Australian Psychological Society recommends that people who feel their anger is out of control should see a psychologist. Psychologists can assist by providing anger management, to help to understand your anger and why it happens, to learn and practice better ways of expressing anger, to know how to prevent it from occurring in the first place, to learn about the triggers and early warning signs of anger, and also to learn techniques to calm down and manage the situation before it gets out of control. You can manage other problems that may be associated with anger, such as depression, violence, or difficulties in your personal relationships as well. That's all for this session. Thanks for listening. Remember, there's lots more free, helpful information and a range of online tests on the Psychology Australia website.